Hi everybody, today we would like to quickly show how you can see the blocked numbers on your iPhone 14 series device. First thing that you need to do is to launch settings, then enter the dedicated phone category. In here at the very bottom of the page, go for the blocked contacts section, and this blocked contacts page will basically store all the phone numbers, all the contacts that you have blocked. In my case it's empty because I haven't yet to block any contacts or phone numbers, but if you did block somebody, if you did add somebody to the blacklist, it will be displayed right over here. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.